Today, I am going to tell you about a remedy in the form of a powder. You need to take it with water at night before going to bed and then see for yourself how quickly the fat in your body starts to disappear from wherever it has accumulated. Whether it's the fat on your stomach, your thighs, your hips, or even on your breasts, this will help you get rid of that fat so quickly that nothing else you've tried before could compare. See, what often happens is that people whose stomachs are not clean, who have toxins built up inside, feel the urge as soon as they wake up in the morning to have tea, eat breakfast quickly, or feel like they're losing energy. They think the weakness is probably because they haven't eaten, so they feel they should eat something as soon as possible. But you must have also seen people who are physically thin, eat very little, yet are so energetic that you actually have to call them to come eat. You must have noticed this in your own experience. You call your children to come eat, sometimes even force them, and the kids just make faces at you. But what do? As soon as the food is ready, we immediately feel hungry. Why does this happen? If you want to change that, if you also want your body to be slim and trim and for people to have to call you to come eat, or someone else says, you haven't even eaten, come on, at least eat something, meaning you have so much energy that you even forget to eat. Only then will the fat disappear from your body and you'll be full of energy. It's not going to happen that you'll just lie in bed all day. You won't feel weak at all. That's not going to happen. What is this miraculous powder and how does it work to reduce weight? So let's find out in this video. Let's start this video. Hello friends, I'm Suman Chauhan, a certified dietitian, nutritionist, and your fitness trainer. Welcome to my channel, Healthcity. If you also want to work out with me to lose weight quickly, you can join my online classes. So let me explain to you what actually happens. As long as there are toxins in your body, they won't let you live in peace. They will ruin your sleep. They can throw your body's hormones out of balance. Even after sleeping, you'll feel like you still haven't had enough rest. You'll feel constant fatigue in your body. All your muscles will ache, your whole body will be in pain, and those cravings you have for food, it's not your fault. You might be blaming yourself, thinking it's all your fault that you just can't resist when you see samosas. When I see cake, I just can't stop myself. When I see a cold drink, I absolutely can't resist. And tea. Tea is what gives me energy in the morning. I can't even start my day's work without having tea. It's not your fault. I'm saying it again, it's absolutely not your fault. Your only mistake is that you haven't eaten the right things or put the right things into your body. Things that could help balance out the toxins that are harming your body and throwing your hormones out of balance. Which is why your cravings are increasing. You haven't tried to correct that balance. Today you are going to make that effort. After taking this powder, you'll see that the toxins causing turmoil in your body will be flushed out. What actually happens? Look, whenever your stomach isn't properly cleaned out and the waste that's accumulated inside you isn't being eliminated, for years it can happen that something you ate gets stuck in your intestines and remains there for years. If your stomach isn't properly cleaned out, that's the main reason behind your illnesses and your obesity. You must have noticed that for many people, their stomach gets cleaned out properly, meaning they don't face any issues at all. They eat a little, eat within limits, and yet are so energetic that they can do much more work than overweight people, and they don't need to be called again and again. Like, hey, eat this, have some tea, mom has made tea. Some girls are like this, or even some women, that the tea just sits there and gets cold. There's no one to drink it. They don't crave anything, and they're just focused on their work. And then there are some women who, the moment they see tea in front of them, just wish for another cup and then another. It's just like their body never feels truly energized. So if you want to get rid of this too, if you also want to be slim and trim, to work energetically and not feel any cravings for food at all, whether it's puris, pakoras, pizza, or even cake placed right in front of you. So let's quickly see how to make that powder, which will end all your cravings, make you energetic, and help your body shed fat in no time. First of all, take a look at which ingredients you will need. First, you need fennel seeds. How much should you take? I have taken 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds. Pay close attention to the quantities I am mentioning. I have taken 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of carom seeds, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, half a tablespoon of nigella seeds, and a little bit of asafoetida. I will add the rest of the ingredients later. But first, let me tell you, since these are not ground, you need to lightly roast them. Now let's talk about their properties. You all know this, you must have seen it in many videos. But the method I am going to explain today is completely different. That is what will make the difference. Try using this method and then let me know. First, we will roast them, and all of these contain active compounds. They help you a lot in losing weight. Especially, they work to remove toxins from your body, improve digestion, help eliminate any stuck waste, enhance your digestion, increase the release of your digestive enzymes, and help expel gas from your system. That's why you should include all these things in your daily routine. Now, we never eat these raw. We usually add them to vegetables, but they don't work as effectively as they should. Their compounds don't get activated. So first, take note of this. I'm dry roasting them lightly. So we'll put the cumin seeds in a pan, adding them all together. No problem, we won't add asafoetida with these. You need to keep the asafoetida separate. The other ingredients will also go in this. But first, I need to roast these and then grind them. Roast them on a low flame. I've set the asafoetida aside. This component specifically needs to be thoroughly pounded separately. First, I turned the heat up so the pan would get hot, and as soon as the pan is hot, immediately turn the flame to low. Roast them gently on a very low flame, ensuring they are cooked thoroughly and evenly. I consistently prepare this versatile powder and store it carefully for future use, always keeping a fresh batch readily available. I personally consume it regularly as part of my diet, although there are occasional periods when I might take a short break from its consumption. For example, I take it for 15 days, then stop for 5, 10, 15 days, and then start taking it again. What this does is prevent the body from becoming habitual. So these things keep working in the body. Now, toxins stay away from my body no matter what I eat. Of course, I do eat mindfully. It's not like I eat too many sweets, stuffing myself beyond limits. One shouldn't eat that much either. Even if you bring the Sanjivani herb from the mountains, it won't work if you overeat, so you have to eat in moderation. But I enjoy everything, and still, you see, I don't gain any fat on my body. And it's absolutely not true that I exercise daily. Sometimes 15 days go by without any exercise at all. The work pressure gets really high. So it's not necessary that I exercise every day, but still I stay fit. I never fall sick. Not even a single day has gone by like that. In the past 15 years, there hasn't been a single day when I lay in bed and said, I'm sick today, I won't work. I'm telling you the truth, absolutely real, absolutely real. If you can believe it. So let's dry roast this now. And yes, I forgot to mention what I was about to tell you. Once, my uncle came over and said that he had a lot of gas in his stomach, so he asked me to quickly give him something because he wasn't feeling well. He said he didn't feel like eating and felt nauseous. I immediately gave him a spoonful of powder, and you know what he said the next morning? What was that powder you made? It was so effective. It worked so quickly, and I slept so peacefully. There was no problem at all, and in the morning my stomach was clear, and I felt so light today as if nothing had happened yesterday, even though I was having so many issues then. That's why it's so effective for everyone. You can give it to anyone. So you just need to gently and lightly roast it. Do not roast it too much at all. There is absolutely no need to make it too dark or overly browned. I'm roasting it on a very low flame. Cumin, carom seeds, fennel. Look, these are also packed with nutrients. They contain calcium, manganese, magnesium, and also vitamins. That's why we should definitely consume them raw or roasted, made into a powder and added to yogurt or buttermilk. But my way of taking it is a bit different, which helps release toxins from the body. See, if you add it to yogurt or buttermilk, what will it do? If someone experiences bloating from yogurt or buttermilk, or if yogurt causes any harm or pain, that doesn't happen at all. But that's just for enhancing the taste. Or if you want to avoid any side effects from yogurt or buttermilk, you can add it and have it that way. But if you want to lose weight, how should you take it? I'm about to explain that. Alright, this is roasted now. There's no need to heat it too much. No need to make it black. A slight change in its color is enough. First of all, you need to let it cool down. Now, while this is cooling, let me show you what other things need to be added. Here is the asafoetida. I'll add the asafoetida to this and crush it a little, like this. Now I have 2 spoons of amla powder here. These are the dried amlas. I had ordered the powder itself. So this is 2 spoons of amla powder. Use the same amount of amla powder as the cumin you took. See, the spoon was a bit heaped. That's why 2 spoons is about this much. This is amla powder. You can also use more amla powder if you want. It has more nutrients and a higher amount of vitamin C. Even if you use more of it, that's fine. Even if you use 4 times the amount, it's still good. Now you need to take 1 to 4 teaspoons or even less of black pepper. If you have a hot body constitution, if you feel like you often have acidity and such, then you can skip this. It's not a problem. But if you have more indigestion or are overweight, then definitely add black pepper and only add 1/4 teaspoon of black salt. That's why I'm not adding too much salt. Sometimes some people already have blood pressure issues, not because of this, but from before. Those who already have it should use less salt, but salt is good for digestion and you should use black salt. You need to use what is called pink salt. Other than this, do not use any other type of salt. If you have white salt, do not use it at all. So here I have taken 1/4 teaspoon. Now this is cooled down a bit. Now we need to meticulously grind it. So as you can clearly see, it has been thoroughly and perfectly ground well. Take this out onto a plate so that any slight heat generated during grinding can dissipate. Let this powder cool down completely and then store it in a jar. Do not make this powder in large quantities for long-term storage. Some people prepare it and keep it for a month. Make it for a week at a time, consume it daily, and when it runs out, prepare a new batch for the next week. Because some nutrients are lost after grinding. But if you store it for too long and keep using it after many days, it doesn't work as effectively, so it's better to make smaller quantities. Now, what do you need to do? After eating, you should walk for half an hour. You also need to pay attention to this and eat fewer fried foods like pakoras and such. What I mean is never eat until your stomach is completely full. You should never eat anything to the point of being stuffed. This is also one of my tips. I will make a separate video about this. How to eat, how much to eat for weight loss so that you can lose weight without exercising. I will also explain those tips to you in an easy way. For now, I want to tell you to eat a little less at dinner. Don't eat until you're full. Then the second thing is to walk for half an hour after eating, and the third thing is to make sure it's been 2 hours since your meal. What should you do a maximum of 20-30 minutes before going to bed? You need to take 1 full spoon of this with hot water, not cold water, but hot water, or you can just gulp it down in one go. Some people have trouble gulping it down in one go. It feels like it gets stuck here. If you start coughing, then do this. Dissolve it in hot water in a cup of water just like you drink tea. Don't use water that's too hot. Use water that's a bit hotter than lukewarm, like the way we usually drink it. In the morning, heat water like that, add it in, drink it like tea, and then go to sleep. Otherwise, just swallow it directly, meaning eat it and then drink water on top, however you prefer. And keep in mind, after this, you should not consume any milk, tea, or coffee at all. If you drink coffee, black coffee, then have it in the morning. In the evening, no tea or coffee should be taken with this. Milk is also not allowed. Yes, if you want to have yogurt, you can use a little yogurt or buttermilk at dinner. As for milk, I would say avoid it if you want to lose weight. Look, on the first day, you won't feel completely comfortable. On the first day, your stomach might not get fully cleared out. See how refreshed you feel the next day. When you wake up in the morning, you usually have cravings and feel a loss of energy. But when you see that your stomach is cleared out, that energy loss will go away. Your energy will remain steady and you won't have any cravings at all. You will feel satiated. This means you won't feel hungry. You won't crave sweets, and only then will you lose weight. What will it do? This powder is going to work inside your body. Minra, I hope you really liked today's video. You will also like and share it. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye and take care.